Okay, guys, here we go again. My beautiful fiance. Just look at this. Oh my God. I done ate it halfway down already, y'all. Just look at it. I don't even know what it's called. I call it the Darrow wrap, but is this a quesadilla, baby? What is it?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, I'm saying, what is this right here? Is it like a wrap?
It's a wrap, but because I toasted it, you know.
Oh my God, y'all hear that?
Harder.
Wow, it's kind of like what? What? Come on, you not, baby. You not only got your face on there. It's just your voice. Was it kind of like a what?
Yes.
Wrap, right?
What does it taste like to you?
Oh my God, I don't know. It just tastes so delicious. That's what I'm trying to tell these people that they need to look at what you're doing here. Jeez. I'm about to tip the camera to the left.
No.
No? Yeah? Do you sexy though, babe? Look at that, y'all. She don't want to be seen because she's so sexy.